Diaries. I've got a fun combination for you today. It's a really nice one from the back, but I'm going to teach it to you from the front. So if you like the combination, please make sure you keep watching. Also, give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. So lately I've been doing quite a few combinations that really focus on flow. When I find moves that I just love working together, it's something really special, it's something to drill. You can always have this in your tool belt, great for improvisation as well. And this one is one where, like the one the other day, I'll link that below too, the moves flow into one another. So first move in this one, we're starting off with basic figure eight. So start with the feet hips width apart as always, pelvis in, chest up, and then just our basic horizontal figure eight. So I call this our forward figure eight, but I was having a discussion with someone on Facebook recently who was calling the figure eights different moves. This one she was calling back, other was forward. So whichever one you do, which is bringing the hip to the front first. So I'm bringing the hip to the front first, coming around. And then the second move is adding the shimmy on top. So same direction, same figure eight, adding the shimmy. So just shimmying through your knees as you come around, nice and soft. Then the third move is our three-quarter shimmy, so coming down, out, up, down, out, up. So when you put it all together, this one looks really beautiful. It has a really nice flow. So from the front, doing it together, one figure eight with our shimmy, one figure eight, step, step. From the back again, eight, shimmy, step, step. So as you can see, one move goes into another. It's really beautiful with kind of drum music because you can bring it in, comes around, and one move really does flow into another. So I hope you like this combination. If you have, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, write down below, and happy dancing.